So yesterday we discussed about a permutation. This is about permutation. Permutations. Number of arrangements of n things are at a time. NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. This is here repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. Otherwise, repetition is allowed, then it is what n raised to r. Repetition is allowed. No, another case is there, permutation. So this is here all things are different. All R things are different. All R things are different. You're also in the same case. Repetition is not allowed. Repetition is allowed. Now, there is one more formula is there. Number of permutation of n object. Number of permutation of n objects where P1 objects are of same kind and P2 objects are another kind. That means P1 are same, P2 are same. Then number of permutation is equal to n factorial by P1 factorial into P2 factorial. In the same way, Pn, P1, P2, P3, Pn, like the so many are there. So P1 factorial, P2 factorial into P3 factorial, etc. Pn factorial. This is the where P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus etc. Pn is what? N. This is the number of permutation of n objects where P1 object are one kind, P2 objects are another kind, P3 objects are another kind, P3, P4 objects are another kind, like that Pn objects are another kind. So then it is what? N factorial by P1 factorial into P2 factorial into P3 factorial etc. Pn factorial. Example you see. How many permutation mean arrangement are letters or the word Allahabad. Allahabad, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 letters. Here, how many A's are there? A, 4 are there. Then L, how many are there? 2 L are there. And all others are different. So, what is number of permutation? Number of permutation is equal to 9 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. 9 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. So 9 factorial is what? 9 factorial is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 factorial into 2. 4 factorial cancel. So what you are getting? Answer is 7560. This is the way we are arranging Allahabad. Okay. Similarly, next one. Institute. In the letter institute, how many letters are there? Total 9 letters. 9 letters. Here I are 2, then T are 3. So total number of permutations is what? 9 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. This is the way we are arranging the letters. If some things are different like and some things are not like. So now find the number of ways in which number of ways in which a chairman and vice chairman selected from 12 persons if one person cannot hold more than one post. So chairman can be, this we can apply fundamental by FPC. How to do FPC? It is chairman is how many ways? 12 ways. Vice chairman, so already one chairman is selected, so the remaining 11. So what is total number of ways? Total number of ways is equal to 12 into 11. Answer is 132. Now, if you use permutation formula, we have to select how many persons? 2 persons from 12 persons. For 2 persons from 12 persons, how many ways? 12 P2. 12 P2 means 12 into or 12 factorial by 12 minus 2 factorial. Because NBR is what? NBR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. So 12 factorial is 12 factorial by 10 factorial. 12 factorial is what? 12 into 11 into 10 factorial by 10 factorial. So 12 into 11, 132. So this is the way we are applying. So fundamental principle of counting and permutation both are same only. Now, next, find n such that np3 is equal to 42 into, sorry, np5 is equal to 42 into np3, n greater than 4. What is np5? By formula it is n factorial by n minus 5 factorial. 42 into n factorial by n minus 3 factorial. So how to do this? N factorial by n minus 5 factorial. N factorial by n minus 5 factorial is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 into n minus 5 factorial by n minus 5 factorial is equal to 42 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial by n minus 3 factorial. N minus 3 factorial cancel. Here n minus 5 factorial cancel. So you are getting here n minus 1, n minus 2 cancel. Here also n minus 1, n minus 2 cancel. So answer is what? N minus 3 into n minus 4 is equal to 42. So this is what? N squared minus 7n plus 21 is equal to what? 42. N squared minus 7n plus 21 is equal to 42 means n squared minus 7n plus 12. So n squared minus 7n minus 30 is equal to 0. So this is what? N minus 10 into n plus 3 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 10. Here n is equal to negative 3. We don't take it. So n is equal to 10 is the answer. Now next one. Find the value of n such that np4 by n minus 1 p4 is equal to 5 by 3. So np4, how to write? N factorial by n minus 4 factorial. Here it is n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 minus 4 factorial is equal to what? 5 by 3. Now, n factorial by n minus 4 factorial into n minus 5 factorial by n minus 1 factorial is equal to what? 5 by 3. So n factorial you can write it as n into n minus 1 factorial by n minus 4 factorial you can write it as n minus 4 into n minus 5 factorial into n minus 5 factorial by n minus 1 factorial is equal to what? 5 by 3. N minus 1 factorial cancel, n minus 5 factorial cancel. So you are getting n by n minus 4 is equal to what? 5 by 3. N by n minus 4, 5 by 3 means what is the value of n? N value is equal to 10. So remember, in permutation there are NPR. NPR is equal to what? N factorial by n minus r factorial, provided all things are different, distinct. All things are distinct. All things are distinct. Then repetition is, repeat is not allowed. Now next one is what? NPR is equal to what? N raised to r. Here all things are distinct. Then repetition allowed. Repeat allowed. Next NPR is equal to what? N factorial by P1 factorial into P2 factorial etc. Pn factorial. Here P1, P2, PR. The total n is same. Unlike Allahabad, two A's are there or three A's are there, like that. So that's about the permutation, some problems.